Someone once said, life's ups and downs provide the perfect windows of opportunity to determine your values and goals. Think of using all the obstacles as stepping stones to build the life you want. Our next speaker has not just overcome all the obstacles put in his path, but he has conquered them like a boss. Please join me in inviting the entrepreneur of BTech 13, Roshan Agarwal.
Guys and girls. So Achilles talked about ups and downs, but in my case, it was more about downs and ups. Downs being more frequent, but up being more ecstatic. So basically, it was only possible because of the support that most of the friends sitting here have provided. And again, 2.5 years back, took up entrepreneurship, and that's when college decided to support me and asked me to pursue it full time. So yeah, I went out, got a flat, and started working on it. Yeah, so I got a flat, and again, I'm not very fond of public speaking, but the main reason I chose to speak today was most of you guys don't know, but I feel grateful to my batchmates sitting here because they have helped me a lot during lots of ups and downs. So some helped me get a flat, some helped me, some bought me books, some took time out of their academics to give me a visit, and again talk me through things. And again, that was really helpful. So yeah, so 2.5 years back, so then I joined a startup at IIM Ahmedabad. That's when I started understanding how companies work. So I was out of my room by 9 a.m. in the morning and was out till 9 p.m. Understood how startups work, and when I returned, I still had to work on the idea that I had. So the struggle was real, and hard work couldn't be avoided. So the next thing was finding the right people to work with you. So luckily, at the same time, two other guys from the college, Ashim and Bhaskar, were outside the college exploring the world as well. So it was a good thing. And again, the same summer, Aditya Ganesh from a batch, he decided to hop along. And I remember a scene where at NBH, at the staircase, I was selling him the idea about uh, market sahi hai, time is right, and la la la. I'm just joking, but yeah, we discussed business, and we got started, and things wouldn't have been the same without all of them, and I'm really grateful for that. So there have been lots of challenges, and again the downs that I talked about. So for instance, whenever I came across a perfect employee, like everything's matching and all of that, and we are just about to finalize it, and suddenly I come to know that all right, so the candidate is not willing to relocate to Gujarat for obvious reasons. So and again there was a point, some like few months back, I had a debt of 2.5 lakhs, and I still needed to keep the company growing. That was a very depressing time. The team continuously received mails and calls from different vendors and writers we usually work with. So that was a tough time, and again, I it was only possible for me to continue because of the small random chats that happened with all my batchmates at mess, and again close friends and neighbors who encouraged. And again, if I didn't have the confidence, they helped me regain that confidence. So that was the overall thing. So talking about what's the plan, what's the game plan. So when we talk to people outside, we usually realize that most of the people have different meanings to the word sorted in life. To be sorted, so for example, 12 lakh pays job is good for some people, and again few aim for a 8-digit salaries. But speaking about me, like I had been very clear about few things since past years after going through lots of things. So for me, it was to be independent in sense of finance, time, or place. So to explain further, for example, after 2 years, I want to be financially independent. For example, if I had to make some reasonable purchase, I shouldn't be looking at the price. That shouldn't concern me. And after that, the aim is to be place independent. So shouldn't have to be in my office to for my business to grow the same. I should be able to work from anywhere I want, and again, the same lifestyle could have been maintained things have to be kept in that position. And lastly, it's about time independence. So it's not necessary that you work 8 hours a day, and for your business to grow, there are lots of people who are doing it very well. You can work 4 hours a week. There's a book, 4 hours a week, that explains things very well. But again, that's the final goal. For example, your assets are generating money for you, your business is in right position, and again, you have basically you have done everything right. So that's the final goal. So basically that's my vision. So there's a difference between idea and vision. Basically set goals and have a vision. That's what I wanted to share. And again, in my case, taking a break was really good. Reflection around things, for example, should I just continue with the flow? So entrepreneurship was one thing that I always wanted to pursue since my childhood, but again, was continuing with the flow. But again, yeah, so the thing is, take a break, reflect on what you want to do. I did it, and it turned out really, really good for me. So yeah, thank you.